How to create a Google Lead Form extension. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create, how to add headlines, and so on to that particular extension. So stick around. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Evgeny Chvanau, and I'm CEO and founder of Discover My Business. I have been running successfully Google Ads for almost 7 years. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video so everyone who needs the help with this extension will see this video on the first page. So let's go to the actual page. On the left side, you can click campaigns, pick one of your campaigns over here. We will use our demo account. Then you go to extensions, add extensions. This page will be pop up over here. Click plus sign, and you will see lead form extension. Click on this one. So right now we need to, before we start anything, as you see, we don't have right now any forms. We want to create actual form. So Google allows you to have call to action, apply, book now, contact us, get offer, get quote, or learn more. And as the examples, I'll move myself out here. You can see this form on the mobile devices, like how that will form look like. And sometimes, depending on the services, depending on the businesses, we will use learn more or actually apply now or book now. So for example, we are a digital marketing agency. I will use book now and type free $300 audit. Free $300 marketing audit. So as you see, this is the headlines, and this one is small description offer. The next one is create your lead form. Again, in this, we just mentioned the headline. We can skip the headline and business name. We'll put Discover My Business and small description about the company. Full service digital marketing agency. Okay. So this one is description. We can place the headline or we can skip. We prefer to just skip headlines at this moment. Questions. As always, we're using name. We're not subdivide by first and last name because it's kind of sometimes not detecting the last name. We're using full name in one section. Then you're using phone number, email, zip code, so we know kind of where's this prospect coming from. And also company name. Again, it's B2B company name. If not, we just skip it. And also we want to know like a custom question. Again, this is our business. If you're a dentist, you can skip and do your own ones. In the question side, as you see, you can pick from Google. They allow you to pick like Q&A over here. What is your size of the company? So it kind of goes to pre-qualification of your prospect. Again, we're not using this. We're kind of trying to manually manage everything. Then also, as you see, we need a privacy policy. Make sure your website have one. If you guys don't have any privacy policy, you just can enter a basic URL from your corporate website and it will work fine. My business. I believe we have. Yeah, we do have. So we'll use this URL. We'll enter it here. Background image. Right now, as you see on the contact form site, we don't have any image out there. So we will probably add something from our recent. You can enter logo actually, or you can use any other things. We will use logo in this moment. Oh, it's not fitted. Back to the results. Let's pick, as example, this one. Select, save. So over here we see actual background of the image. Scroll down, then create form submission message. So it will be over here. It's kind of a thank you page. We use send and description. We use from the thank you page. Thank you for submitting contact form. We will contact you shortly. Contact with you shortly. Visit website, and we can send them to specific page with the case studies so they can see what we're actually doing. You can visit our website for case studies. Okay. And in the next video, I will explain you how to create a webhook for your lead form extension. I will help you to create a webhook. I will help you to create keys. So in the next video, I will place on the top or on the top. You can click on the video and watch this exact video how to integrate your lead form with your CRM. That's it. Click save. Oh, my bad. Headline. Let me switch from description. That's strange. Sorry, guys. And I took all of the information from our corporate website, like here. Click save. And that's it. This is how you add your lead form extension to your campaign level. If you have any questions about Google Ads, please let me know. Click link below to schedule a free consultation with me, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks. Bye.